look, watch. I'm gonna set my speed zone. Look, I'm set to 50. Here, you want to swap bikes? Swap bikes, try this. Hurry, quickly. Go, 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 go. Here, get up. I got it, I got it. You don't. I go. Isn't it the worst feeling ever? It's the worst feeling riding around on a big bike that you can, no matter what you do, twist that throttle, twist that throttle. Let me see you twist that throttle, man. That's the worst thing you could ever do. Like, look, don't you feel like an e-bike? It feels like an e-bike. You're like, it's freaking awesome, isn't it? Like, I just want to shoot myself, like, literally. I love it. You gotta be off the throttle. You gotta press the cruise again, and then the cruise again. I'm moving over here. Bye, bye. Isn't it? It's so funny. I love it. Right? Here. Okay, get up. It's the yeah, it's all done through the first time you press it. It turns the turns the cruise control on. Second time you press it, turns limiter. So yeah, by pressing this. It's the weirdest feeling ever. Like, you're like, it kind of takes off and and you're like, nothing, right? It's like I said, it's like a fucking e-bike, man. But then you could set it to like 100, right? Or 80 or whatever. No matter what you do, you ain't never gonna go faster than that, right? So, yes, yeah, you can do it, but you can set it and then unset it and then take off, but it doesn't really work that great for that. Where you can do like a pull start, whatever. So.